And the issue there is that information, that 3-year-old RFP response is probably outdated in some capacity. Maybe not the whole thing, but I can guarantee that at least 5% of it is out of date. But you don't necessarily know which 5% either. So the challenge is, how do you keep those old legacy documents updated? And unfortunately, doing it the old way, there simply aren't enough human hours or resources or dollars to be able to throw at that problem to keep all of these documents and duplicative information up to date. And that's where Blockify comes in. So what Blockify can do is it can actually increase the accuracy of a large language model using RAG by 40 times.
Wow.
So that's 4,000% improvement in accuracy. And the way that we're able to do that is through our patented process and some specially trained large language models. Essentially what we do is we think in ideas. We don't think in files. And we break down documents into modular idea blocks. And each block is about 2 to 3 sentences of text. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter. So essentially what we do is we take those 1,000 RFPs and we run them through this special set of large language models, and we extract all of these modular blocks of content. Your mission statement would be an example of one of those blocks. Right? You could have your mission statement across all 1,000 of those RFPs. So when we blockify those 1,000 RFPs, you're going to get 1,000 mission statements, but you may have written it slightly differently in the first one, then in the second one, then in the third one. Then what we do is we have a deduplication and data distillation set of large language models, where we'll actually take those 1,000 versions of those mission statements and we'll distill it and condense it down into 1 or maybe 2 or 3